LFG baby, LFG. Oh, alright, so I'm not feeling the best, therefore I'm just gonna take it quite easily. It's really nice to run in the woods, just listening to the nature and your own thoughts. On the road again. I can't wait to get on the road again. I have no clue where I am. I've seen a few deers around here. Gonna hunt them. Haha. Whew. It is hot, or I'm getting warm. Animals are screaming. Welcome to your weekly nature show. Oh shit. I just saw a moose. Damn, bro. Damn. Well, got some adrenaline out of that. Wasn't sure if that's a Slenderman or a moose. I don't have my phone with me, so you're keeping me safe here. Don't want to go there if the moose gets aggressive, or the Slenderman. I'm gonna be honest with you, it was this close I was gonna poop my pants. Not sure though if it was an elk or moose. I'm not even sure what's the difference. Let's say elk. It sounds more appropriate. Getting somewhere. I just can't go to their fucking backyard. Need to find another way. Back with civilization. Oh shit. Here we go again. Fun here. Abracadabra. Just under 1 hour. 8 point something kilometers. Good man. Feels good, man. Still scared though. Got trauma. Following day. I just got out of work. Gonna take a bus home and work out. Yeah. Had a rainy morning today, but sunny afternoon apparently. Yeah. Alright, 45 minutes of zone 2 biking and then running for half an hour. Yes, sir. Under 30 seconds transition. Feels good. Okay, gonna end this one with 28 minutes because I can't do it anymore.
The next day.
Well, what do we have here? Well, it's 9 p.m. and let's go for a run. So, gonna press here, gonna press that button and here, and there you go. So wasn't sure I was gonna run today because I had a pretty bad headache, but it went away and I'm feeling good. Therefore, I'm going for a run. Oh yeah, 1 hour run, and tomorrow I have a 3-hour bike session. It's quite warm, maybe like 10 degrees. Not here for a long time, but for a good time. I have 4 minutes and 20 seconds for 1 kilometer. If I want to get 10 kilometer, and I'm gonna try to do that. Let's see how it goes. Fuck, it's zone 2. Damn. Boom. 4:04. Last minute. Kinda shock. Easy. 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 1 hour. 10 kilometers, 50 meters. Easy. Damn, that felt good. Fucking good, yeah. Stay hard. Right. 8:41 in the morning, and I'm leaving. By the way, I haven't eaten since 1 or 2 hours before going to the run yesterday evening, so yeah, like I don't mind. I feel really good, and yeah, but I just feel like I haven't fully recovered from yesterday's run. So yeah, haha.
Okay, explain.
"75 kilometers. Probably the worst part about this is the lower back pain I get from staying in the aerial position. But yeah, otherwise really fun. Nice weather though. Alright, Sunday morning, 7:44 a.m. I survived the 95-kilometer 4-hour bike ride yesterday. Was good. I forgot to film the last things, but yeah, no, let's go for a run. Alright, 1.5 hours later. Was good run. Gonna end week 10 with this one. Next week, gonna start hardcore training. Feels good. Yeah, I'm gonna leave a screenshot of the run right here. And yep, thanks for the interest and let's see you next week. Stay Lego.